Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz, this is my channel Toiletterian. I try to bring you fragrances that are very good value for money, they smell good. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. Today I have an unboxing and first impression of, this is the newer version of Najdia, and this is Najdia Tribute. Najdia Tribute. This is by House of Lattafa or Lattafa brand. Lattafa brand is another Middle Eastern brand which they make very good value for money fragrances. They usually copy other people, and the quality and the presentation and everything, especially for the money, is fantastic. So I paid under £15 for this Najdia Tribute, and let's unbox it and see what it smells like. The original Najdia was a clone of Invictus, if I remember correctly. I had it in my collection. I can't remember if it's still there or I gave it to somebody, I can't remember. But yeah, that one was Invictus inspiration or copy, and this one I don't know. Let's see how it goes. So as you can see, the box and presentation is always good, especially for under £15. Sorry for the noise. When you do unboxing, you can't do much about it. Okay, so the box similar to the Najdia original, but this one is darker, and as always the box is there to protect the bottle, which is the main job of it. Okay, all right. So the bottle is identical to the Najdia original, but this one is darker. So that one was light, and this is almost matte black with that leaf in the middle. The cap is plastic, it's nothing to brag about. Let's see the atomizer. Put it here. The atomizer is good. It's not super, but it's good. Okay, let's see what's it smell like. Okay, so smells is like, well, this is for first impression. Okay, I'll let you know in another video the development, how you know, longevity and everything like that. But at the moment, first impression is, it's like Najdia, which was Invictus clone or inspiration, with leather. So it's like they put leather inside that fragrance, which is a little bit on the strange side, because Invictus is quite fresh, bubblegummy, fresh, a little bit of spiciness and little bit of aquatic feel to it. But right now this one is same but with leather, and the leather is quite dark in here, so it's a little bit on the strange side. It's not bad. I'm not sure if it changes and it gets the, you know, it becomes different thing, but right now it's quite strange. As I said, the DNA of Najdia is here, which was an inspiration of Invictus by Paco Rabanne, which was fresh, aquatic, bubblegummy, sweet, and this one is all those things plus leather. There's another thing in here, I can't put my finger on it, which gives it a feel of like a maybe tobacco or a herbal feel or something like that. It's quite strange. It's not bad, but to me right now it's like the notes or the mixture of these notes are clashing rather than going to complement each other. So it's like a clash between the notes right now. Okay, so if you like that kind of thing, which was you know, sweet Invictus aquatic with dark leather inside and little bit of maybe herbal feel, then you will like this. Otherwise, at the moment I am on the fence. I'm not sure what's going on. Okay, so at the moment it's a little bit on the strange side, but I will let it to develop, and maybe later on will change to something better. But the opening, it will put some people off definitely. The smell is much more mature now. Najdia original was, because it was an inspiration of Invictus, and Invictus is quite, you know, younger fragrance. This one, they made it in a way that is now smells much more mature. Okay, I'll let you know the development, the change, and the longevity and all these things in the next video. But right now I'm on the fence. I'm not sure what's going on, because as I said, to me there's a clash between the notes and they're not complementing each other right now. Maybe it's a rush of notes in the beginning, and then it will subside and it becomes a little bit tamer and better later on. But right now is strange mixture of fruitiness, sweet fruitiness, plus that leather. It gives in a bit of I don't know. Okay guys, so that was unboxing and first impression. If you have it, if you tried it, let other people know in the comments. That would be useful for other people to read your experience. Thank you very much for watching. If you find this video entertaining, useful, informative, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for future video. And I will see you later guys. Thank you very much. Bye.